Now let's look at how the structural team receives this update from your architectural team and uses features in design collaboration to assess the impact of these changes on their structural design. Once the structural team sees that a new package is available on the project timeline, they can explore the package and use BIM Collaborate Pro's Change Visualization tool to better understand how the design has been changed. In this example, after noting that your new wall locations will require changes to structural column placements, the structural team consumes the package. This action automatically updates the linked architectural models in their Revit structural models. With your team's updates now visible in their structural models, the structural team can modify the locations of their structural columns to align with your new wall positions. Once completed, they can create an updated structural package and communicate their design changes back to the extended project team.